What makes a view updatable in SQL? Most developers think views are just read-only virtual tables, but updatable views can actually modify the underlying data. Understanding when and how this works is crucial for database design. The golden rule: an updatable view must be based on a single base table. If your view joins multiple tables, the database can't determine which table to update when you run an insert, update, or delete. Think about it. If you update a column that appears in both tables, which one should change? The database won't guess, so it blocks the update entirely. Keep it simple. One view, one table. Next, column coverage matters. If your base table has not null columns without default values, your view must include them in its select list. Why? Because when you insert through the view, those required columns need values. If they're missing from the view, the database can't create a valid row and the operation fails. Include all the critical columns. Now for the forbidden operations. Views using aggregate functions like sum, count, or avg become read-only. Group by and having clauses also break updatability, as does distinct. These operations transform or summarize data, making it impossible to map changes back to individual rows. Subqueries in the select list can also block updates depending on your database system. Finally, advanced mechanisms give you control. Instead-of triggers let you define custom logic for updates on otherwise non-updatable views, perfect for handling complex multi-table scenarios. With checkOPN adds a safety layer, ensuring that any row modified through the view still satisfies the view's here clause after the change. These tools turn views into powerful data access controllers. Remember, updatable views need a single base table, must include all required columns, avoid aggregations and grouping, and can use triggers or check options for validation. Master this, and you'll design cleaner, safer database interfaces. Practice with Interview Mentor to nail your SQL interviews. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.